Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's kind of late at night right now, so I'm trying to talk like in a low voice. But today I'm gonna be bringing you guys a FIFA 15 UT pack opening. I will either be opening 2 or 3 gold packs, premium gold packs. So actually, depending on my money. So let's get right into this. So we're starting off with the first pack here for 7,500 coins. And we get, let's see, anybody worth keeping? I will definitely take these. Give me those. And, how much will he sell? Ooh. Dang. I'll take this guy. Because I don't know if I have a center mid or not. However, then, quick sell. Dang. 2,000 coins about. Okay, yeah, let's open another one. So again, for 7,500 coins, I get Distin. Whoever that is. Ooh, but good. I've actually been running low on contracts lately, so this is good that I have these. Oh yeah. I have a friend over, and probably just heard him, but yeah. So. And last pack, we get rare silver. Let's just take all this stuff, except the manager league. And then that, and then, I'll take this. And, yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and, hopefully I have a video up soon. See ya.